Good afternoon, everyone. Nick, First Class Home Inspection. So we're in a house built in 2012. So you wouldn't expect to find too much, and haven't found anything major yet until we got to the garage. So when you're wiring, it's required that you use the Romex style wiring. So what we found here, and I'll take a look. So this wiring that you see here is actually extension cord wiring. So like by Home Depot, Lowe's, just an extension cord. So the guy probably had an old extension cord lying around, and you can see it's even run into a junction box right there, and it's run over to there, over there, and what it's for is these fluorescent lights. So these guys added some fluorescent lights, and he's used extension cord wiring. So this is a safety hazard, improper wiring. So we're going to call this out for replacing with a proper wiring if we're going to keep the light fixtures. For all your home inspections needs, First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707 or firstclasshomeinspection.com, and we'll see you next time.